everybody? It's me, MsEbonyVee. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thanks so much for joining me today. I do hope you'll consider hitting that subscribe button as well as that notification bell so you don't miss any other videos from me. And if you're returning, hey Shug Muffin. Alright y'all, so we got another edition of
Budget Friendly Friday. I said Budget Friendly Friday. I said Budget Friendly Friday. A Budget Friendly Friday.
Yes, y'all, Budget Friendly Friday is where I'm bringing you or showcasing wigs that are under $25, sis. Yes, we want to be budget conscious and save these coins. So, the wig I'm reviewing today is actually an Amazon unit. And if you're still here for the headbands and the kinky texture wigs, this might be the wig for you. So this is, of course, a kinky straight synthetic headband wig in 22 inches and then the color 1B. So let's go ahead and get into the unboxing and styling of this headband wig.
Tell him I need my money right now. Brought me the juice, they stole out my crown. Yeah. Sorry to tell you, I know my value. I'm gonna recoup it. Don't waste my loyalty, my loyalty. I let you in back then because I couldn't see, but now it's clear you ain't ever been true to me. My intuition ain't ever lied, I had to leave. Handle your business, do what you think you need to do to get your revenge. But you won't break me, God as my witness. Past the point of no return, I'm on a mission. Tryna block my blessings, but no need for comparisons. What's from me won't be from me. Yeah, I'ma go through just to grow through. But pay me what you owe me for, I make what you've been saying about me true. True. Tell him I need my money right now. Brought me the juice, they stole out my crown. Yeah. Sorry to tell you, I know my value. I'm gonna recoup it.
Alright y'all, so let's get into my thoughts on this headband wig. So you already know I'm a huge fan of this texture. Like one of my favorites. This kinky straight, yes honey, give it to me. I also love how easy and beginner friendly this unit is. Like, come on, just like with most headband wigs, just throw that mug on and get out the door. Super easy breezy. Now, although I have not played with any additional styling, I do know that it has very versatile potential. So I'm gonna go ahead and call it versatile because I know I can get some different styles out of this unit. I also appreciate the beautiful packaging and the fact that they included 4 nice quality headband wigs in addition to a wig cap. Love that. I'm always here for a good packaging, so I appreciate that. Now for some of the cons and the things I don't like about it, whew, honey, I must say I have never experienced, until now, taking a wig out of the box and its packaging and getting hit with a whiff of the smell that I got with this wig. I was like, did something die? And then they just packaged, like the smell was so bad. I've never experienced that before. So you saw me go in quite heavily with some dry shampoo to try to get rid of this stench. I was like, what is this? And it probably got rid of about 85% of it. It's still a little leftover, still a little stench lingering around that I smell every once in a while. But whew, I'm one of those people that I can't really handle bad smells too well. I don't do well with them. I don't do well at all. Other massive thing that's driving me crazy is the heavy shedding I'm getting light tangling. It's not a whole lot of, like I get stuck every once in a while, but the shedding is oh so real. All right, so let's just go ahead and do some styling options and see what we come up with. You know, I don't stray too far. I'm gonna probably do the same styles I normally do with these headband wigs. So let's see what we got.
The juice, they stole out my crown. Sorry to tell you, I know my value. I'm gonna recoup, yeah. Don't waste my. Tell him I need my money right now. Brought me the juice, they stole out my crown, yeah. Sorry to tell you, I know my value. I'm gonna recoup, yeah. But don't waste my energy, my energy. I don't got much, don't be wasting all my energy.
Alright y'all, so those are just a few looks that I came up with. You know, I pretty much do the same looks when I'm doing these headband wigs. Half up, half down, top knot, maybe a bun, you know. Yeah, I'm gonna keep it real simple. So, minus the shedding and super heavy smell when I first opened it, I don't feel like I've been smelling it as much lately due to the dry shampoo. I think it camouflaged it quite a bit. Thank goodness. But outside all of that, I really do like this wig. I feel like it is a nice dupe to a human hair Kinky straight headband wig. And I am glad that there are some synthetic options, which are of course much more affordable. So let's go ahead and dive into the price of this bad boy right here. So this unit costs a whopping $22.94 on Amazon, my favorite place to shop. So of course I will be sure to link the information down in the description box below in case you're interested. So if you have made it this far in the video, go ahead and leave me this little yellow circle emoji down in the comments below so that I know you made it to the end, Shug Muffin, and I truly appreciate you for that. Everybody don't make it to the end. Everybody don't make it, but I appreciate you who continue to watch it to the end. Thank you, thank you, thank you. So if you're not already, make sure you're following me on Instagram at MsEbonyVee. I do tend to post a lot of content there as well. Well, thanks again for watching, everybody. Please be sure to thumbs up this video, hit that subscribe button if you have not, and I will be sure to catch you all in the next video. Bye, y'all.